Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to set up alarm clock on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all you need to do is swipe up and locate the clock up, which in my case is here. Then you press this big white plus, then you select an hour on this left swiper, I would say, and you select the minute. Let's put 48 for now. Then you select if you want it to vibrate. You can select the days you want it to ring, so it repeats. Then you select an alarm sound. Let's select this one. Then you select the snooze length. Okay. Then you can label it. For example, let's call it workout. Okay. And then you accept. Now we wait. Okay, it should ring now. Yes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.